This video is a review of the Flowmaster Flow FX exhaust system for a 2009 through 2014 Dodge Challenger, part number 717479. We installed this system on my friend's 2009 Dodge Challenger RT 5.7 with a 6-speed manual transmission. This exhaust system cost $494.73, delivered to our door. It is on special. The normal retail price is $809, but as of the recording of this video, I checked and it is still $494.73. Installation went smoothly, done in a garage up on jack stands, and yeah, that all went smoothly. You do have to reuse the stock tips, however, so you will have to reuse your stock tips. But it does sound good. It's kind of a mildly aggressive sound level on that, and it's a straight through muffler. It's not the chambered traditional Flowmaster muffler. It's a straight through design. It's a new muffler product for Flowmaster. But overall, my friend is very pleased with this system, and I like it as well. We have several different camera views so you can get a good indication of what the sound is. We have a GoPro Bumper Cam, inside cam, and then two other outside camera views. So enjoy the footage.